Hey guys, we're going to be talking about food safety and integrated program of the HACCP and prerequisite programs and SOPs. So in case you forgot, HACCP stands for Hazard, Analysis, Critical, Control, and Points. And so this organization is just a part of a bigger control procedure group. And prerequisite programs are put into place so that HACCP can run more smoothly and they don't have to worry about controlling everything. So prerequisite programs are focused on environmental hazards, such as cross-contamination or unclean, unsanitized equipment, while HACCP is focused on inert hazards, so naturally occurring hazards such as salmonella in eggs. And these programs are put into place so that HACCP only has to worry about food-borne hazards. And then SOBs, Standard Operation Procedure, is a list of procedures for food service. So SOBs are focused on individual aspects of food service, such as personnel, meal planning, purchasing, receiving, and they are individualized for companies. There is a standard procedures, but companies can add things based on what they're selling or producing.